Alright guys, now if you have a problem with the SIM activation with your Xiaomi Realme series of device, then that won't let you use the SIM card in your smartphone. Well, that will be terrible, but with a little bit of help, you can reactivate your SIM on your devices. Now, as you guys can see, we were getting this pop-up right here, which is telling us the SIM is now deactivated. Now let's go ahead and fix them together. Alright guys, now the first spot that you want to go to fix your problem is to open up your settings. Now simply just go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to your apps. Go ahead and tap on there and simply tap manage apps. Once you just open up your manage app, simply tap on the search section and simply type SIM. Okay, now if you just go ahead and type SIM, you're going to see this option called Xiaomi SIM activation service. Go ahead and tap on there. Now here you have to just give it some of the access to this application for being able to active your SIM card. Okay, now once you're here, just simply go ahead and tap app permission, and here just go ahead and add all of your things like your SMS, contact, phone, and storage. Okay, then just go ahead and tap your SMS, make sure you're actually allowing them, and do exactly the same work to your contact and your phone as well. I'll just open up the allow, and I'll come back here, I'll open up the phone, and I'll just allow it here as well, and come to your storage and do exactly the same work. And there's one last thing you have to do is to simply access to your install app from unknown source. Make sure to turn these features on as well, and right afterward guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and just turn your device off. And now all you have to do is just go ahead and eject your SIM card and place it back on, and then just go ahead and turn on your device and check whether this process is going to help you out or not. Well, we can tell you that guys, after doing this process, you'll be able to reactivate your SIM card on your Xiaomi devices, and your problem will be solved, and this is how you can solve it. Hope this video is pretty useful and informative for you. If you think so, you should leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.